Hello and welcome to your 18th European AIDS Conference platform.
How can I access the platform?
We recommend using the latest versions of Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Mozilla Firefox as a browser, and to log in from a computer. Click on Join the Event in your registration confirmation email to access the platform. First, you will need to create a password to complete your account. When entering the event, you will have the opportunity to create a business card. Some information from your registration will be automatically pre-filled. You will be able to update and add more information as well as an image. Please note that all information you provide for the business card is visible to all attendees. Be certain that you are visible to other participants by choosing Proceed over Anonymous. You can check or change this status at any time by going back to your profile. The business card is the key to interaction with your peers and industry partners.
How can I see the conference program?
You will be able to see the full program of the conference by clicking on Program. If you click on a session, you will get information such as the time and date, as well as the presentations included in the session. Click View to join the session.
How can I add a session to my agenda?
You can add a session to your My Agenda by clicking on the plus button at the top right of the session card. Sessions added to your agenda will appear under the My Agenda tab, and also in the lobby in the closest from your agenda button.
How can I watch a session?
You can join a session by clicking on the session name in your agenda or via the Live Now button found in the menu bar. Please note, recordings of the scientific sessions will be available on demand up to 24 hours after the session. They can be accessed on the 18th European AIDS Conference platform until November 30th, and afterward on the EACS Resource Library for the EACS members. Your CME credits will be accumulated until Sunday, the 31st of October. You will receive 1 credit per hour of watching, either live or video on demand. The total credits you receive is limited to the maximum credits per session day. Please be certain that you have allowed cookies on OPAID, otherwise we will not be able to track your attendance on the platform and we cannot award you the appropriate credits. Sessions simultaneously interpreted into Russian are marked in the session description. At the bottom right of the player, you will see a translation icon with an A symbol in a speech bubble. By clicking on it, you will be able to select the Russian interpretation for this session. Choose the language Russian and press Apply.
How can I ask questions during a session?
During the sessions, you will have the possibility to interact with other participants via chat by clicking on Comment, and you may ask questions to the speakers by clicking on Ask a Question.
How can I interact with other participants?
On the right side of your screen, you will find the attendees, speakers, and partners list. To interact with one of them, click their name in the list and then click on Chat. You will see 3 different chats in the interactivity panel. Use the session chat to comment or ask a question to the speakers during the sessions. Use the forum to interact with everyone, your peers, the speakers, and the partners during the conference. Use the private chat to chat one-to-one with other participants.
How can I access the partners' profiles?
Click on Industry and then Corporate Hub to view all of the partners of the conference. Click on their banner to access their corporate page. On the partners' corporate pages, you will find a presentation of the partner as well as contact information and documents you may download.
How can I interact with the industry partners?
You can leave your business card for the partners by clicking on Leave Business Card, or chat with one of their representatives by clicking on Chat under their names.
How can I access the partner sessions?
Click on Industry and then on Industry Program to view the Corporate Partners Program. If you click on a session, you will get information such as the time and date, as well as the presentations included in the session.
How can I see the ePosters?
Starting on October 27th at 10 o'clock British Summer Time, you will find in the lobby a button which links to the ePosters. From October 27th at 10 o'clock British Summer Time, you can access the abstracts by clicking on the Abstracts banner.
How can I access the eBag?
In the eBag of the conference, our partners and EX have some exclusive informative content for you, such as the EX guidelines, abstracts, partners program, and so much more. Click on the eBag button and explore what's in it for you.
Who should I contact if I have a technical issue?
If you're having a technical issue, please do not hesitate to contact our support team via email.